What's up, guys? Got another lighting kit for you. This one's a 2015 Infiniti QX70. So let me show you what we got. Did the rear doors, did the front doors, and we were able to do the dash as well. The dash is definitely the most tricky part on this vehicle. I would love to carry it along the top, but unfortunately there's really no good way of doing it. You could maybe put some lights here, but because the trim doesn't separate here, you're not going to be able to put lights in there. I mean, you could maybe put adhesive or something, kind of stick it sideways, but then you're going to see the full light. There's really no good way to hide it, so we chose to do down low. Did right above the glove box line. That same line runs perfectly straight across here, and then here, and then the doors, we just did the higher trim because it can do full coverage of the door, which is what the customer wanted. This is app controlled. You can pick whatever color you want. If you want it to kind of be a little more crazy or at a car show, you know, you can kind of pick the different modes. It has well over 100 different modes, like different kind of chasing and rainbow and pulsing and everything else. We do have it positioned where everything looks like it's coming from the radio and heading towards the back of the vehicle. So that way, whatever mode you turn on, everything kind of runs in the same direction that it's supposed to. The one thing I do like about this kit compared to a lot of the others I put in is when you turn the vehicle on, a lot of these kits do have like a startup, and you have no control of the startup. This one you actually do, so you can actually choose the color of the startup. You can choose, like for instance, let's say you turn the car on as it's powering up. It kind of does like a power up type of motion. Starts from the back left all the way around, and it'll go all the way around that way. But you can also change it to where it comes from the center. Again, you can change the color as well. So there's like a lot of different startup modes, which is pretty cool. All the lights at the same time kind of powering on, or you can just turn it off. So that's one thing I really like about this one that the other kits do not do. This kit also has the ability to add lights in the door handles, in the storage bins or the cup holders. It comes with speaker rings that you can put behind the grill and it'll shine through the grill. It comes with lights that you can do down in the floor. So if you're doing it yourself, or if you're paying someone to do it, I mean, the kits can do all that. Obviously, cost will go up on the labor, but the kits do have the ability to do it. And really, the nice thing about these compared to other kits too is the little ambient lights that go in the handles and the storage bins are actually really bright compared to some of the other ones I put in. So that's another plus there. With the app, it's also nice too because you can actually create your own modes. I haven't played around with this too much, but you know, from the mode or the style to the speed to the brightness to the different color patterns, you have the ability to kind of play around and create your own patterns. Or for instance, this customer, he's a Baltimore Ravens fan. It's a black vehicle, so I know he's going to leave it at purple, and then we can actually turn the startup to do a pattern and make that purple as well. So it'll turn the car on, it'll do the startup pattern, and then it'll lock in at the purple, which is pretty cool. But these kits are available. I will ship them if you do want one, so let me know. Also, if you're in the Maryland area and you want to get a lighting kit installed, obviously I can help you with that. If you have any questions, if you're a do-it-yourselfer, I'm more than happy to help anybody. I kind of love doing this stuff, so I'll help you the best I can with any kind of basic questions. Unfortunately, you know, I can't look up wiring diagrams and tell you what wires to tap into, but basic questions I can definitely help you out with. Other than that, like the video, subscribe. I appreciate you guys. Thanks for watching as always. Till next time, see ya.